Calling this move the forearm catch. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm out of breath because I already danced, but that's good because I'm warmed up. I want to show you guys how I light dart. That's where you swing the whip with the handle out. You may have noticed I don't use the same tricks that I would say the majority of popular light whippers use, which is rope dart tricks with a light whip. I intentionally have delayed learning those things. I will come back around and learn them. They look cool, that's why people do them, and they're also not that hard. But I wanted to avoid them to see what else I could come up with to show you guys first before I circle back around and do the same thing everyone else is doing. So let's get started. First things first, when I have the whip swinging like this, it's a game. It's a game to not get hit by the handle, because it hurts. You're gonna take your whip like this, and we're gonna just do a pendulum. I want you to get used to the weight, okay? Get used to it. Now, you'll notice if you have a nice, smooth connection to the end of the handle, you can get it completely smooth, but I bet you a lot of you guys are doing this, right? That's why I want you to really close your eyes, feel that weight, even rock back and forth in your feet. You should feel like you're one with the whip. It is an extension of you, like a limb. And the handle that you feel on the end are your fingertips. Okay, once you get it smooth like that, where there's no feeling of disconnection would be like that. That'd be a disconnection, right? You're connected the whole time. Now what I want you to do is put your other arm out, and you're gonna just that, okay? Do it very gently, don't hit yourself in the face, please. Okay, you're gonna do it again. Let it catch. Let it go. When I let go, I use my free hand to help get it off. This is important, because even though you'd think this hand's doing all the work, this hand's doing just as much. It just has a different job. Okay, so let's do that a few more times. Got it? See how smooth you can get it. Nice. Okay, now we're gonna switch hands. Oh no. Oh no. Oh yes. We're gonna repeat the same thing. We're gonna start with the pendulum till you have a full connection. It should be faster because you already learned it with one hand. But we gotta do both. Otherwise, you're gonna be in a world of hurt come 5 years later. If we do it symmetrically, then we can help avoid injuries and maybe even heal from them. All right, now that you have that connection, close your eyes again if you don't have it yet, so you can feel when you do. Put your other arm out, catch it. Uh-oh, I'm caught, I'm caught. Same idea. Why are we doing this? Aisha, this doesn't look as cool as when you're dancing. Why the heck are we doing this? It's so boring. If it's boring, then you don't know what you're doing. Because even an advanced whipper could see that there's still a challenge in this activity. It's teaching you the foundations, the fundamentals of what we're going to do once we're dancing. We're drilling it into our muscle memory, and we're also getting really familiar with the way the weight of the handle feels. You'll notice the more familiar you are, the more you know where the handle is, even without looking at it. And that's how we get good at light darting. Okay, that feels pretty good. Now that we've warmed up both sides, we're going to combine the two together. We're calling this move the forearm catch. We were just doing one arm, right? What we're gonna do next, we're gonna go to full circle in front of us. Be very gentle with the fibers, by the way. You can break them if you're too hard. Like let them kind of like rotate around. Okay, now that we got this going, let's go the opposite way using the other hand. So I'm basically going counterclockwise with my left hand, clockwise with my right hand. It's late. Okay. Alright, now that I got both of those. Remember this? Yeah? Remember it? Now we're going to go, that's right, clockwise with the right hand. Catch it, let it go, switch hands. Catch it, let go, switch hands. Catch it, let go, switch hands. Right, so we're going counterclockwise with my right hand now. Wait, what the fuck? Sorry guys. Just try your best to follow along. You could do this both ways, that's why. You can catch it from the bottom or you can catch it from the top. It doesn't matter, whichever way you do it, try it the other way. You should be able to do both, no problem. If you drill it one way, drill it the other. So let's try it. So now we're gonna go underneath. Now you see I'm going underneath my forearm. You can do it both ways. In fact, you probably should be able to, because it's not really that hard to do either way. Alright, so right now I'm just going under. But do you see how you can kind of catch it at any moment? Do a few. They can be even a different number. Whoa, look how many that was. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Lightwhip is fluid. It's a flow art for a reason. Oh god! Scared of the handle. Okay, so it's against rigidity. So you have a whole dance move now that I just taught you, doing this drill, right? Because it's put to music. You start to... I need to listen to music. We're just turning it to a dance, right? So the dancing is going to happen in our feet and our hips, since our arms basically have choreography at this point. You can get in the shoulders. See? Same move, but now it's a dance. Because I'm moving around the move. Yeah. Okay. Do you see how the drill is now turned into a move? Anyway, you probably got it. Tag me, show me what you do with this. Tell me if it's helpful.